I'm going down now. I'm going down.
So.
Oh.
First and last time. Take your time. Just stay in the middle.
Yeah, he just tipped over. go! We're at the GTA spot. This is quicksand. This is practically quicksand. Yeah. The wind is pushing me back. Oh my gosh.
I was gonna say, don't come in.
God, we just got stuck. We just pulled it out, our Jeep, and it's okay. Look how much people came in, reinforcements. Let's go, boys. Bro, we even got a forklift here. Look! I don't think you can see, but that's a forklift. Oh my god, it's crazy though. And we have two Jeeps. There's the other one down there. But we have all these people. But yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how many my guys.
Shout out my YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, that chain just broke. Oh my god.
Bro, you know what I'm saying?
Look, that chain all the way out. You can see it, but all the way. It broke right there. And then we're trying to attach it to all the way over there. So that Jeep is heavy. The other people right here are just watching. They're not doing nothing. But this one right here is, that's our Jeep again. Trying to get it. This Jeep in the first place, we were trying to do that. That one was the first one stuck. And then this one was the second one stuck, trying to get that one in the first place. You probably get it all lost already. Right. We're in the Palm Springs right now. And we're in the worstest sea in the world. We're in, I think salted something, salted sea. It's a lake, it's a big lake. And then right here, if you come here, you'll see our track marking. And this is gonna be a big hole. Where's that Jeep over there? Towards the ocean. And right here, somewhere around here, over there, is a Jeep. Yeah. I'm trying to do it again. I hope it doesn't break. Watch out! Yeah. I think it's gonna spank all of us. Well, that guy's gonna get whipped. Oh. Oh shoot, it broke. Ah, frick, it broke. It broke. Ah. Dang it. I hope I got that. I hope I got that.
Yeah. Yes. It's in the Jeep.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Yeah, so. Oh jeez. Oh, they're doing it again. I thought it ripped. It just detached. Bringing it.
Oh, damn.
Let me see. Damn, look at that.
Get back to the car. Look at this. She flew all the way over here. Over there with me and you over. Okay? Get over there.
We have to walk.
Yes. Go behind the truck.
Wait, he's reversing. Yo, we have to go back more. He's protecting us. He's protecting us.
Have to get closer? Yeah. It's strong out in front.
Y la de Queen se está moviendo para acá.
It's been 4 minutes already. So let me tell you more about this sea, this lake. It's a toxic lake. All fishes have died here, and there's bones everywhere. So this is called salted something, salted in Palm Springs, salted lake, and it's toxic now, and people have been littering here. So yeah, that's why all the fish. And you can see all the way over there where that car is, there is fish bones and all that. Stinks too, like dead. It was all created by that Jeep right there. And this one. See what happens now. I got 2 cars. Oh, there he goes. So he's pulling him back. He's trying to get back. Oh, I think he's out. I hope he's out. Oh, shoot. He's backing up again. This sea is like clay, so we've been stuck here for like 4 hours. Oh jeez. Oh, he's out. Oh, he did it. Yeah. Wow, that was crazy. Oh my god. 4 hours later, all this. That's crazy. Well, let's see what's happening now. Oh, he's still stuck. Oh, there, he put him up.
Huh? No, we're gonna go back over there.
Let's go!
Let's go, we did it! Woo! 4 hours here. Alright, bye. Alright, this has been Sean the Gamer, and I'm out here, boys.